Mark Rogers. Welcome to Action Automotive, my shop. Been here almost 18 years. Very proud of what we've built. Like to introduce you to my staff.
My name is Justin Rogers. I'm with Action Automotive Repair, the go-to automotive repair shop for the Prescott area. Whether you're looking for your classic to be maintained, you're looking for diesel repair or performance, we're your shop to go to. If you're looking for rigs for your four-wheel drive rig, you're looking for upgrade parts, we can handle that for you too. We want to invite you to come and take advantage of our free 47-point safety inspection to make sure that you're taking action for the safety of you and your family. Please visit us online or give us a call today and we can take care of that, set you up with an appointment for a free digital inspection.
These people here are awesome. I've been here 2 years, but I found another shop first. They were not honest. Dishonesty makes me angry. So I found these people and it's been great.
We work hard, but we also enjoy each other's company. This is more of a family than anything else. I mean, I spend more time with these guys than I do with my own wife.
Give us a call today or visit us online at our website, www.actionautoteam.com.